What's up, guys? Welcome to another unboxing. I'm actually unboxing this Saramonic G mic, and this is for the GoPro. And it's a pretty nice little compact mic. But here we'll rip her open here and show you everything you get with it. I think I got this for about 35 bucks on eBay. And let's take a look at it here. Alright, so of course you get the little pack of silica gel. Don't eat that, you throw that away. You got a little warranty card here. Tells you all your stuff. Fill it all out, I guess, and they do a warranty. With this, you get the little mic. And see right here, this just plugs right into the side of the GoPro. And then you get a windscreen for on it. So that is the two things that you get. And I'll grab a GoPro and show you how it goes in. Alrighty, so I grabbed my other GoPro here. I'll show you exactly what you do with this. You just use this, and it goes right into your power port. And there it is. It's pretty nifty. And I'll do a quick test with it also, and you can kind of get a hear for the difference in the audio quality on it. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and test this mic out. Right now I'm using the stock mic that is on the GoPro itself. The video that I shot here was actually using a whole different mic, so you can't base it off of the quality before this point. So right now I'm using the GoPro mic, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hook up the Saramonic mic, and you can see the difference. Okay, this is with the Saramonic mic. It is now hooked up. Okay guys, so I just did the audio quality test for the mic. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a wind test, and I have a fan here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the difference with the GoPro mic in wind compared to the Saramonic mic with the windscreen on it. Alrighty guys, I'm going to do the wind test here with the Saramonic mic with the windscreen on it, and I have this fan, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what it sounds like without the microphone on it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this mic in, and we're going to do the same thing, and you can hear the difference. Now here it is with the windscreen on it and the same amount of wind. And there's the wind test. If you like this unboxing, if you like this microphone, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and check out future unboxings. And we'll see you in the next one.